Okay, guys, hey, we're here. We're going to work through how to um, plot two different populations on the same graph using Microsoft Excel. All right. It's a tricky thing, but it can be a very useful tool. And we're getting good enough now at Excel that I think you guys can handle it no problem. Okay. Hey, I made up this data right here. You're going to want to put that data in, the one that we actually collected, under three columns. One, what generation were we in? Two, how many predators did we have? And then three, many prey species did we have? All right. I have all my data in. I'm going to select it all. And I'm going to go up here to insert and scatter plot. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to have it connect the dots for me. It's not a trend line, but it's showing just that generation to generation change in the population that visually is really important. Okay. So here it is. All right. We're able to get that pretty easy. Notice my x-axis. We're going to have to decide what we want to title that one. Okay, what are we graphing across the x-axis? And then what are we graphing across the y-axis? All right, this is what the graph should roughly look like. So name both those titles. Fix your chart title to something that accurately describes our data, and you are good to go for your graph.